Imagine a place where nature's beauty meets rich culture and adventure. Welcome to Amedzofe, Ghana's best-kept secret. A place where every path leads to a story and every view stirs the soul. At Gemi Tours, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional service, expert guides, and top-notch resources for an unforgettable experience. But what truly sets us apart is our exclusive access to local communities, allowing you to immerse yourself in the authentic culture of Amedzofe. Feel the warmth of the locals' smiles and the richness of their stories. We're committed to sustainable tourism practices that preserve the natural beauty and cultural heritage of Amedzofe. From eco-friendly accommodations to responsible waste management, we ensure our tours leave unforgettable memories. Know that every step you take with us helps protect this paradise. Experience the thrill of walking above the forest canopy. Feel the heart-pounding excitement as you observe vibrant flora and fauna from a unique vantage point. It's not just a walk, it's a journey through a world untouched by time. Feel the refreshing mist of cascading waterfalls as you explore the serene surroundings of Ote Waterfall. Stand in awe of nature's power and beauty, and let the sound of the water wash away your worries. Hike to the top of Gemi's highest peaks, where breathtaking panoramic views await. As you stand at the summit, take a deep breath and feel the magic of the mountains fill your soul. Gemi Tours exceeded our expectations. The guides were knowledgeable, and the service was top-notch. It felt like we were part of a family. The Canopy Walkway was exhilarating. We felt safe and supported throughout the tour. It was an experience we'll cherish forever. Join us on this unforgettable 8 to 10 hour tour, starting from Accra at 6 a.m. Enjoy breathtaking views, cultural immersion, and thrilling adventures tailored to your preferences. Book now and take advantage of our limited time offers and special discounts. Contact us to customize your tour today and secure your spot. Gemi Tours, unveiling the hidden gems of Amedzofe. Join the adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime. Discover the wonders of Amedzofe with Gemi Tours, your gateway to unforgettable experiences and cultural immersion.